Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Monday morning. I hope you guys are having a terrific start to your week. We are at CVS to do some deals for this week, August 14th through the 20th. In my opinion, there's some deals, but my CRTs don't align too well with it. And I'm strictly sticking to essentials, household needs. Well, there's a couple of wants that I did grab, but main focuses are definitely essentials. And it's kind of a lighter load for me today, but I'm okay with that. I'm definitely not trying to bring a lot in, mainly because I don't want to drag it all out of the store because it's a lot of work. So I think there's some deals. It just depends on the coupons and CRTs you have to match up with it. Of course, I have shared more deals, what you can look forward to this week in my CVS Best Deals video that I posted Thursday or Friday. Definitely check that out. There's more deals mentioned in there that I did not mention today. See if you have some CRTs to align with those deals and maybe make it a better situation. But I think literally all I did, I've already shopped. I only did 2 spend 40 scenarios and then 1 deal. That was it. I told you, I'm just going light this week, but I'm still very happy with everything that we grabbed. So if you'd like to see what I grabbed, definitely stick around. I realize I have not given you guys a good life update in a hot minute, so I figured I'd do that real quick. Still pregnant. I am scheduled to be induced on August 30th. However, we are thinking it may be a little bit sooner because at my OB appointment last week, I was already 3 centimeters dilated. So when I go this week, we'll see what happens, but I don't know. I am having a C-section, so hence why I am being induced on August 30th. The new house is coming together. We are putting, the little things together like hanging pictures. We finished the fence. We have to do little stuff like put up a new mailbox, take some stuff down that previous owners left, like they left a swing set for us we don't want. Things like that. Some tedious stuff, but it's coming together slowly but surely. And the big guy is at home. He's doing well. I think he's pretty excited to have a little brother. I don't know. He loves to bounce around on my stomach, so those two are in for a real treat with each other. So, but everybody's doing fine. So I just wanted to go ahead and update y'all because I know I haven't done it in a little bit, but everybody's healthy, fine, happy. It's actually a lot cooler today in North Carolina. We have a cold front for the last couple days, so it's 86 degrees today. So beautiful. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to coupon with me today and check out some deals at CVS this week. Please be sure to consider subscribing if you have not already and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're gonna go ahead, get in here and grab some deals. So we're going to start by doing a spend 40 scenario on this account. So the Axe deodorants and body sprays are included at buy one get one half off. However, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 stick deodorants. So original price is $8.29. Half off of that will be $4.15. And then we'll go over all the coupons once I gather all of my belongings for my spend 40. Pull-ups are also included this week, and they are buy one get one half off, a part of the spend 40. So I'll grab one at $13.99 original price, and half off will be about $7. And lastly, to complete my spend 40, I'll grab a Gain Flings on sale for $5.49, and also a Tide Pods also on sale for $5.49. So with all 6 products, we are at $44.41 to earn our $10 extra buck. I was emailed a spend 40, get $8 off your next purchase CRT that I'll throw into the mix. As far as coupons for the pull-ups, I have 2 $2 manufacturer coupons I'll be using, and then a 2 off of 2 pull-up CRT. For the Axe, I have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, as well as a 75-cent printable coupon that should double dip with that 3 off 2. However, if you saved your expired Axe buy one get one free coupons from the August Unilever, that takes off the max value of $8 and will probably double dip with that 3 off 2 digital. So that would be a better scenario if you have that on hand. However, I did not have my inserts on hand with me today. And then for the Tide Pods, we have a $1 digital coupon. Same thing with the Game Flings, also a $1 digital coupon. So that brings my cost down to paying $24.66 at the register today. I'll earn back my $10 extra buck for spending $40. I'm also going to submit to Ibotta. We have rebates back on the Axe deodorant for $2 each. So that's $4 there. And then from Fetch Rewards, I'll get $1.50 back for each of the Axe deodorants, plus $1 for one package of the pull-ups, so $4 there as well. Makes the final cost $6.66 for all 6 products, or about $1.11 each, which I think is super, super reasonable. So we're going to move on to another account now. I'm looking at the Irish Spring Soft Soap deal. That's buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. They're on sale for $4.99 each, and we did get $1 digital coupons for the soft soap and Irish Spring this morning. Well, on Sunday morning. So using those, you'll pay $7.98, get back a $3 extra buck, makes it $4.98 for both, or about $2.50 each. However, I'm going to throw this into a threshold CRT to make it a better deal. So now I'm going to do a spend 40, get back a $10 extra buck deal on this account, and we're going to go ahead and grab the products first and then go over coupons and the numbers. So Olay Body Wash is included at $6.49 each this week on sale. I'm going to grab 2 of these bad boys. I happen to be stalking down the aisle I need to go down for the Depends silhouettes. However, they are included in the spend 40 this week. I grabbed this box that is the 10 count at $16.49, and then I'm also throwing in the Tide Pods and Game Flings as well in this scenario. They are on sale $5.49 each. So with those products, we're at $40.45. However, for the Depends, I want to use a 4 off of 10 adult care CRT along with an 8 off 40 threshold CRT. So that is why I'm throwing in the Irish Spring and Soft Soap deal to get me over to $50 to use both threshold CRTs, because adding that 40 that I need to spend to get $8 off plus the 10 I need to spend to get $4 off on adult care equals up to $50. Hence why I need my total to be at 50 to get both CRTs to apply. So aside from the 8 off 40 and the 4 off 10 adult care, I also have a $2 printable coupon for the Depends. For the Olay, I have this expired 1 off 2 Olay body wash coupon from the August P&G. It is expired by 2 days, so it should still work in my store because they accept expired coupons up to 14 days past expiration. We also got a 4 off 2 digital coupon on Sunday morning that I think will double dip. And then I have a $3 off any personal care, cosmetic, cleansing CRT that is attaching to the Olay. And then for the Tide Pods and Game Flings, we have those $1 digital coupons for each of them. And then, of course, for the soft soap, the $1 digitals for the soft soap and Irish Spring. So just to reiterate, we're at $40.45 with the spend 40 deal. I'm using 2 threshold CRTs. I want to get to 50. Adding in the soft soap Irish Spring gets me to $50.43. After those CRTs and those coupons we just went over for all of this, we are down to paying $24.43 at the register. We'll get back a total of $13 in extra bucks, 10 for the spend 40 deal, 3 for the soft soap Irish Spring. I'll submit back to Ibotta for $3 back on those Depends, as well as $3 back on the Depends from Fetch Rewards. Makes the final cost for all these products just $5.43, or 77 cents a piece. I did forget to mention earlier, I have my CarePass on both accounts I'm using today, so we have a free $5 to work with since I pay $5 a month to get $10 back, essentially making the other $5 free. So that will definitely help eat up the cost of these essentials today. So we're going to go ahead, check out with this, and then we'll be back in the car to go over the transaction details and final numbers. Alright, we were out from CVS, and that was a light haul for me this week, but it went beautifully and I'm very happy with it because I got my 2 main focuses, my Depends and then the baby's diapers. So super happy with that. I finally got my Depends this week, which I was glad those rebates stuck around so I could grab them this week because I did not make it back to CVS last week to do that deal when Ibotta finally recognized that this product is fitting the description of your rebate. So I'm glad that it stuck around. Deals usually end up coming back around. They're very repetitive. So I did self-checkout, 2 transactions, 1 on each account, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it. But they turned out super good. So the first transaction I did on my main account, I did the Gain Flings, the Tide Pods, the Axe products, and the Huggies pull-ups. That was for my spend 40, get back 10. So for the coupons, I have my 75-cent printable for the Axe. Obviously, the better option would be using the I believe it's expired Unilever Axe buy one get one free coupon, because the max value it takes off is $8. However, you want to go to a cashier using that coupon because they have to manually enter that into the system, and self-checkout does not. I didn't have those coupons on hand. I didn't bring my inserts with me, so it was still a pretty decent deal without that, but it would have probably been a better deal, obviously, if I had that coupon on me. And then I have my two $2 manufacturer coupons for the pull-ups. My 3 off 2 Axe did double dip with my printable, which it probably will happen the same way as well if you have that buy one get one free expired Unilever coupon. And just to reiterate, most CVS's do accept expired coupons up to 14 days past expiration. The only way you will know if your CVS does that is if you test it out yourself. My Tide Pods and Game Flings digitals came off, my 8 off 40, and my 2 off 2 Huggies. I did use my CarePass, so that was $5 I'm counting because I pay $5 a month to get $10 back, making the other $5 essentially free. So I rolled $8 essentially, leaving my subtotal at $11.64, which is kind of high because I didn't have very many extra bucks on this account to start with. I only had the CarePass and a $3 extra buck. Subtotal $11.64. I did use a $10 Activate Rewards gift card that I got in the mail, so that left me to pay $1.64 out of pocket. But I did get back my $10 extra buck for spending 40, and then I did submit to the rebate apps for the Axe and the Huggies. Now my second and last transaction, which was my side account, was another spend 40 situation. So we did the Olay, the Gain, the Tide. I threw in the Irish Spring and Soft Soap deal. And then we have the Depends. So as far as coupons, I have my expired 1 off 2 Olay, that scanned perfectly fine. The $2 printable for the Depends scanned fine. My 4 off 2 Olay did double dip. My Irish Spring and Soft Soap digitals came off. My Tide Pods and Game Flings digitals came off. And my 8 off 40. My 4 off 10 adult care. My 3 off cosmetics / personal care text CRT I was sent, or email CRT I was sent, did come off as well. And then I rolled a $10 extra buck, my $10 CarePass, so that's counted as $5. And then I was trying to use another $5 extra buck, but I knew it would be lowered down to $4.43 because I was under, that's all I had. I had $25 and I knew I was at like $24 and some change with the subtotal, so it reduced itself down to $4.43. So technically I only rolled $19.43 with a $0 subtotal, just paid taxes. And then I did get back $10 for spending 40, $3 for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap, and I also got a 10 off 70 your next purchase. I tend to not use those too much because it's hard to build up my transaction some weeks to $70 to use that, but that was that. So super flawless transactions at self-checkout, no need for anybody to come help me, no issues this week. So in total, everything we grabbed today in product, just sale price was $94.84. Out of pocket between extra bucks and subtotals, but also considering and factoring in my care passes, I only pay $5 a month to get $10 back. So we only count $5 of that spent. That came to $39.07 I paid out of pocket today. In rewards back, we got back a total of $23 in extra bucks between both accounts. I submitted Fetch Rewards and got back $7.11 total for the Depends, the pull-ups, and the Axe products. And then for my Ibotta, $7 for the Depends and Axe. That makes the final cost for all 13 items that was retailed at $94 just $1.96, or it rounds out to about 15 cents per item, which is so good for the Depends and the diapers, even the Olay. I am so happy to grab some body wash at CVS this week. Not too often lately that we've been grabbing body wash, so I am super thrilled with my haul. I love it. I got my essentials. I kept it short and sweet, so that's all I can ask for. A super flawless day at CVS. So I hope you guys have a good haul if you are doing a CVS haul this week. Hope it goes well for you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and shopping along with me today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!